So these are wood frogs. Let's see if we can find them. They're probably in that standing water. And, oh, I see them. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, they just disappeared. They all saw me. They were sticking their heads out of the water. But if I just get a little bit closer, let's see. Oh, there they are. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Okay. So in the spring, they will come together in little ponds like this. The wood frogs will. And I can't remember the name of it. Amplexus? Anyway, the males will like pile on the females and form this ball of mating with the female. And there's some really funny pictures online of it. But anyway, you get like a bunch of wood frogs in a pond together. See if they want to come back up soon, which we know they're going to have to. And actually, so here are the wood frog eggs. There are already masses in the pond. So those are wood frog eggs. Frogs lay their eggs in these masses, like these big balls, and toads lay their eggs in strings, like it's a string of eggs. So that's one difference. I don't see any of the adults right now, but they're all hiding from me. I know that they're here. So I've spotted one of the wood frogs that might be responsible for those egg masses. Maybe you can see it. There it is. I'm sure it knows that I'm here. Oh, it's really hiding under some stuff. But I only see one right now. I saw a few before. Scatter. Got a better angle of this guy. I don't know why he hasn't ran away yet. He must think he's very concealed under that little bit of mud on his head. But I see you. Here's a close-up of the eggs. And you can see they're actually anchored to the stick. So they're not just floating around in the water, they're actually anchored around this twig in the water, and so are these other ones, these masses. So I'll come back and check on these every few days, or every day, and see if I can get some developing embryos inside there.